Well, hello there. Welcome to the channel. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the mobile remodel. Let me stand up, sitting in the living room. I'll do it anyway. So, got the living room windows in. Got both of them, as you can see. That one and that one. And the house next door has got a white roof. They got a white rubber roof, so it's really bright out that side of the house. So anyway, we've made a lot of progress. We got all the windows in except the one that's in the very front room, which it's full of stuff that's been our dumping ground. So there's really no space to work in there, but we'll worry about that later. But so anyway, we've got all the windows in. We've got one more spot patch, one more outside wall to patch. But let me turn you around and take you for a little walk. So here you go, the one living room window. I'm working on the door right now. I'm looking for a door. So as soon as I find that. And then the other living room window is right here. And that's all installed. I just put a little foam around the gaps where I could today. So I'll trim that up tomorrow. The dining room window is in. And I'll show a quick peek from the outside. Like I said, I just foamed. So, yeah. And then the kitchen window is in. Really like the kitchen window. This is the one spot that needs to be closed up yet on the outside. But let's get down the hall here. The back bedroom is completely sheetrocked. We've got all the walls up and going here for the bathroom and the laundry room. This was all done in the last week, so we made quite a bit of progress. Got all the Durock for the shower. Just have to do some touch up. I had a problem with the water sealer. When I got it, one of the containers was broken open and it spilled all over the box, so I had to return it. And I ended up getting Red Guard, so I'll be doing that. And I think that needs to come out a little bit more. I've added a piece to it, but the Durock sits really good on the valve there. Plenty of room for the tile on it, and it won't be too recessed. Maybe a hair, but the shower head spigot seems a little set back, so we need to take a look at that. But the Durock's in, the shower pan is set. We're ready to put sheetrock up in the bathroom. 2 lights. We're going to have a mirror light. 36 by 24 mirror light there, and then we went ahead and put in a light in the ceiling just to make it brighter because it turned into a dark hole after we closed it up. And as you can see, you can't see through there. And then going into the bedroom, the Ken who's helping us with the sheetrock, he injured himself, so he's laid up for a few days. But we got all the sheetrock done. Of course, it doesn't look like a whole bunch right now. There's the closet, and that's a pretty good sized closet as it turns out. But yeah, this room's done. We got the slider door in, and it's used. It has a few little issues, but it is used. I ended up putting one used window and the sliding door. I had to replace the locking mechanism because they didn't have a key. But okay, just a quick look outside. Get turned around here. So see, we got the slider in and all patched up right there. So that's all done until we actually do some painting. And then there's what the front of it looks like on the outside. We still have, so to get a better look without me in the picture. So yeah, the slider, the dining room window. Yeah, we need trim and everything on it. And then the living room window. And then the front. And that's it. But that's where we're at right now with the update. I think I'm looking at doors. We might do the front door in the next couple of days. If I can get the guy out here that helped me with the living room windows, it's just, I got to get this stuff done. But I think we'll end up putting the siding on the front door side so it all kind of flows together in the working process. So, but I'll do another update. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to post or ask. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to post. And I hope you enjoyed this update. But that's all I got for now. And I'm excited that we've gotten this far in the last week. So things are really moving along. And I'm hoping end of July. That's what I'm hoping, end of July. We'll see, though. Okay. Thanks for being here and sharing with my fun. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.